Okay, so good morning and welcome to Huangyaguan outside of Tianjin here in China, a bit outside of Beijing. We're driving 2 hours. Gonna walk up and take a look at the Great Wall of China, one of the sections I haven't been to before. Hopefully maybe get some drone shots, walk around. So I'm gonna take you guys along and see what happens. Some pretty cool background here. We have these nice Chinese lanterns. You can get the tickets and get walking up there. We're gonna sort of tour around the whole area here, and then we're gonna go up also here the mountains and walk around. It's gonna be like 3 or 4 hours. I'm gonna have some nice meal here. Hopefully it's going to be a really nice day, great weather. So really looking forward to exploring and seeing all these cool buildings. Very nice starting with these gates and walking through the old kind of pagodas. But let's get the hike going and go up. I guess before we go up here in the back into the wall, you have all these cool lanterns and old buildings just walking on the background. Very nice to mix the old kind of culture before we go out in the nature, and you have this kind of courtyard in the background. Really cool actually. I just love exploring. It's gonna be a good day. It's crazy how far the wall is stretching from like Inner Mongolia down to Beijing and all the way to the west. You can see in the background here all the provinces. It's insane building this once upon a time, but yeah, let's go and explore. Guess we're gonna start the hike by walking up this tower here before we go to the actual wall. Seems to have kind of a bit of a maze here in the background, people walking up here. Pretty cool. I guess our more modern lunch restaurant here is in the background. Gonna walk for 3 hours building up some appetite. But super nice here. You can see the wall, everything in the background. The air is not perfect, but still very nice to just be out in the nature a bit. I guess time to get the hike started. Go up here. Let's see. Yeah, the wall here. The background all the way there. Let's go. So I guess we're walking on the Great Wall of China here. Pretty spectacular view in the background, that's for sure. Sun is shining. Just getting started. Pretty cool that is for sure. It's pretty cool when you get to these kind of old towers. You can go inside here. Very dark. I guess this is where you used to guard the towers in the past. It's gone. Definitely cool way to spend the day here. Walking on the wall. Pretty spectacular background. So nice views here. It's actually quite steep here. Walking up, you have to be a bit careful so you don't fall here. Definitely get the pulse up. Good day to get the day started with some cardio. Guess we actually have some snow here on the ground. The sun is quite cold. Definitely getting the pulse up, but I think we're getting to the end of this part at least now. Actually get up quite far. Just gonna see if I can stop on the top here. Maybe get some drone shots, we'll see. Yes, it seems like I made it. Can't walk further here. Gonna take a break, enjoy the view here. Relax, a bit of a snack, so wait for the others for a little bit. Nice, after a bit of a break, I'm gonna walk down here, have a bit of a chicken breast here for some protein. Haven't eaten anything yet. It's almost noon, but I have 2 more hours until lunch. There's a lot of snow here. But very nice first climb. Now we're gonna go to the other side, I think, climb up a little bit there and then walk around, but it's gonna be very nice. Wow, so I found this kind of dark place you can climb up here and actually see some cool views here in the background now, getting it in the light. Kind of a hidden small entry, but we're walking down here now. We're gonna go across over. I think you can go up on the other side. Really interesting. Can I take some photos and continue walking? It's very easy when you're far away to think that this kind of wall is not that big, but when you get close you realize it's huge distances here. And this is just one really tiny section. It goes over the whole country. It's pretty insane. Imagine building all this. It's crazy. Definitely a bit of a climb here. Going up a bit steep, but fantastic to get some cardio in. Prepare the appetite for later. A nice lunch. Yeah, you definitely get the pulse up a bit. I think we're kind of halfway. Bit in the shade here. Gonna continue walking that way. Said it's supposed to be 40 minutes up. We'll see. Fantastic way to get some nature, history, culture. A lot of good steps, and then get ready for the lunch when we get to the top. Hope we can get some more nice drone shots as well. It's gonna continue here. See at the top. Oh yes, we get some sunshine here. think not that far to go. We'll see. Gonna climb up this wall. So apparently we're gonna go back down here later. Some horses here in the back and quite interesting. But first we're gonna go down in this kind of valley right here. We're gonna go up to this tower. Then we're on the top. Fly the drone, come down here, and then it's lunch. Okay, so I guess we're on the top tower. And the smoke entrance here coming up in the sunlight. Getting very bright here. Take a look at the view. That is some crazy stuff here. Just look here. Wow, yeah, I'm just gonna catch my breath a little bit here. Have 30 minutes before I meet up the rest of the group. Taking a break down there. Just enjoying this magnificent background here. Take some drone shots and then go down. Fantastic, so it's time to go down there. Really fun to chat with some of the people, actually stopping here wondering what I'm doing, where I'm from. Just gonna enjoy this steep decline here with the people, meeting up in 5 minutes, and then it's time for some food. Yeah, almost got there. Now it's not so steep anymore, a bit more relaxing. Very nice, the sun is setting. We had even some horses in the background here. Just relaxing to trek a bit down here to go and have some food. Oh yes, so we made it all the way down. Now let's finish up this fantastic day. Oh yes, finally time for some food to reward after this fantastic hike. So that was totally incredible. I mean, as you clearly could see, we had a lot of beef and eggs and broccoli, a lot of chicken, even some pancakes, rice, a lot of fantastic vegetables, and yeah, as always, just a huge feast. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys here, go in the park and get the car back. But if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.